I do portrait too.
If you hold that there. No. If you hold that just like that.
Can I go with him?
What are you doing singing outside the station?
So I'm reading a magic spell for world peace. So I'm a purple witch.
I've never heard of a purple witch.
Yeah.
Brazilian or something.
Like, quick time out to get the kind of street photographs and street portraits that are gonna stop people in their tracks. My feeling is we need to create a bit more time with the people we're shooting. I mean, where possible, when I'm shooting, I want to kind of be hanging out with the people on the streets, even if it's just for a kind of short period of time. And, you know, if you've photographed a particular area before, perhaps the same bunch of people, don't be afraid to return to the scene of the crime. I'm not one of those anonymous street photographers, I'm not. The more people get used to me being around, the more time I get to create with them. Like, if we're shooting in, like, if we're in a hurry, zipping in and out, hoping for the best, my access is kind of limited and my photography is going to reflect that. The way to create kind of little happenings with people is to invite people into what you're doing. So then it feels more like a collaboration, and ultimately, at the end of the day, that's what it is. That's what I want it to be. I mean, these guys I'm shooting here now, do you know what I mean? We're not going around each other's houses putting our feet up on the sofa or anything like that, but I know them a little bit, they know me a little bit, so I just get that kind of little bit more access, and the next time I get a little bit more access still. In my experience, like, shooting people on the street, people will either feel included or they'll feel kind of taken advantage of, and it's my job to make them feel included.
Come from Germany.
Oh man, is she alright? Tips, can I get a picture of you? If you hold that there. No. If you hold that just like that.
Just like that.
Come up, cantaloupe.
No, up close to your chin, man, up close.
Can I go with him?
I had my boat. Take that off, take it off.
Hold on, wait, we need that.
He's not even helping, man.
No,
I want this light. See this? Don't look at it right now. Right, I'll do it. Cheers, mate. Right.
No, that Gull.
Yeah, he's great, man. This.
Gull. Nice.
Oh no, that's Manchester, some girl.
Black and white pictures are really...
That's more different.
Okay, that style.
Everyone's different, man.
You build your own style.
Old lady.
I like it.
That's a fucking great shot, man.
How much is it?
Shot of him.
Put that on the boat, yeah? Is that alright? Right, Uncle Harry.
All right, mate. Well, I'll see you as I'm always down here. Well,
cameras and stuff you might be interested in.
Not today, man.
No, drop you them.
I'll pop down.
Nikons and shit.
Maybe a week or so.
Nikons. I'm going at the end of the month, but I'll bring what we've got.
It's not good for the boat, man, either.
No, I don't care. I'm not working today. I just tell her, come and sit here instead of laying on the floor.
Yeah.
I'll help you to get here. No, it's time she starts working.
Gorgeous.
Oh, look at her there.
Gorgeous, mate. Look at that.
There.
Like, work on being playful. Like, I work on being not hesitant. But if I'm hesitant, people sense a lack of confidence, they'll pounce on that. Same in life, right? But if you have a kind of authoritative approach, people sense that and they kind of get on board with it, with what you're doing. They'll trust you. But you know, this isn't always comfortable, I get that. It takes practice. So most of us, we want to get those kind of photographs that are intimate and exciting, right? What I see though is very few people are willing to take on the discomfort that's kind of needed to get those images, to get that access. It takes practice, like I said, but ultimately at the end of the day, it's not comfortable, very rarely comfortable.
Beautiful.
How's your day going?
It's all right, I think. Just a bit hot, isn't it?
You hot?
Yeah, lovely and hot though.
It's lovely, yeah, it's perfect weather, I think.
Yeah. What are you doing singing outside the station?
So I'm weaving a magic spell for world peace. So I'm a purple witch.
I've never heard of a purple witch.
Yeah.
I've heard of a white witch.
Similar things, but it's just purple is my spiritual colour. Yeah.
That's lovely. Can I get your photograph then?
Yeah, sure. But before you take one of me, I've got my cosmic camera here. Can you see it?
Perfect, go baby.
Right, now, with the cosmic camera, it's going to go to the Cosmic Gallery of Love and Peace. Now you have to imagine yourself as an animal, and in one hand you hold a flower, and in one hand you hold a piece of food. Ready?
Right, go for it.
1, 2, 4, 5. The Cosmic Gallery of Love and Peace is divided into hearts, spades, clubs and diamonds. Where do you want your photos?
Diamonds.
Oh!
Shine a little bit of a diamond back in your eyes,
Okay.
ready? Well, that's it. Hold that there. Beautiful.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Alexia the Purple Witch. And you are?
Alexi or Alexia?
Alexia the Purple Witch.
I'm Gary,
Lovely to meet you,
the
Gary.
street thief.
The street thief.
I'll see you next time. Talk to him. I love a purple witch, don't I?
Don't forget, if you've not got yourself a copy already, to jump over to my website, lashmarcreative.com. The Way of the Street Photographer. It's going to be a great little source of inspiration for you. This it's not War and Peace. You can kind of fold it up, stick it in your back pocket, and pull it out. If you're ever up against it, need like a little shot of inspiration. It's going to get you out of jail, I promise you. So lashmarcreative.com, and then you can follow the signs to the zine. Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. It really is a big support for me. And give this video a like. YouTube seems to want us to do that for some reason. It means the world to me. And I really do appreciate the support. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed Camden. Camden's awesome, by the way. It's one of my favourite places to shoot for sure. It's like free-spirited energy, just lots of sort of alternative fashion and just like a real artistic atmosphere. Callers markets and just creativity, individuality, and just sort of self-expression rules there, really. So, yeah, Camden town won't let you down. So, get yourselves over there, guys. I'll do, won't it? Out.